I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your DEF message on a Dodge Cummins. First, it's crucial to understand what the service DEF system message means. This warning indicates a problem with your diesel exhaust fluid system. Often, the simplest solution is to check your DEF tank level, as low fluid is a frequent culprit. Ignoring this warning can lead to a significant reduction in engine power or even a 5 miles per hour speed restriction. To effectively reset the DEF message, you'll need an OBD2 diagnostic scanner. This tool is essential for communicating with your truck's computer. Locate the diagnostic port, usually found beneath the steering wheel or dash. With your truck's ignition turned completely off, securely plug in your OBD2 scanner. This ensures a proper connection before proceeding with any diagnostic steps. Once connected, turn your truck's ignition to the accessory position. Do not start the engine. Your scanner should now power on. Navigate through the scanner's menu to read any active or pending fault codes. Look for codes related to the DEF system, such as P202E. After identifying them, select the Erase or Clear Codes option on your device to remove these warnings from the system. After clearing the codes, turn your ignition off for about 1 minute, then cycle it on and off 5 or 6 times without starting the engine. Finally, start your truck and observe the dashboard. The DEF message should now be gone. If the message reappears, you might need to clean your DEF injector or consult a qualified technician, as an underlying issue may still be present.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.